Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, if it does not respond to your touches and you basically have problem with that. You can try to force restart it, and to do that we have to press the power button, which is located on the right side, and the volume up button together and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and it does not really work like that. Okay, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because of the screen, which does not work properly. So keep pressing both of those buttons and you can see that we've got the black screen. I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully restarted the device, and we have to give it a time so it will be able to fully turn on after the restart operation, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.